association with the weight of trauma. I just wanna heal but can't escape the drama. Brought me to a place that needs to catch some karma. Adoption, certified, pre-owned child. Purchase, abuse, neglected, exile. Picked up, put down, felt up, slapped around. Racially slurred sounds spoken by a whole town. Naming me Emily was never gonna make me ivory over ebony. That was not the remedy. Y'all put too much energy and try to mold and change me, but I will never ever be white-skinned or ghostly. Aggressor, bigot, racist. Burned away my truth just to rewrite these pages. Planted seeds of lies within sacred black places. Carved in my arms, leaving these scars. Bleached my brain, called me ungrateful. Claimed my skin as something shameful. Beat me down, then called me graceless. Cut my roots, then named me faithless. Faced my joy, calling it danger. Mocked my tears, my fears, my anger. Tried to bleach my soul to silence. Take these words as my defense.